today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, what if I told you that there's one millionaire maker indicator for Bitcoin out there, one indicator which predicted since 2009 every single Bitcoin bull market high, and more importantly for this purpose, for this video, every single Bitcoin bear market low. I want to show it to you. I want to show you exactly how to read it, how to understand it, how to use it for your own purpose, and how to time the bottom in accordance to that indicator. Watch this video until the very end. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Let's crush 10,000 likes on today's video. Once again, thank you so much for your support, and let's go straight into the content. Yes, I am going to talk about my multi-million US dollar. I think it's like 100 Bitcoin trade as well right now, raking in 134,000 US dollars in a profit, 65% more or less. I will talk about it. I will talk about my game plan and everything what's relevant and important right now for Bitcoin. Let's get straight into the content. Thank you so much for your support. Let's get straight into the charts. Before I'm doing so, make sure you follow me over on Crypto, over at Crypto with the verification checkmark. I posted yesterday a video on Twitter, 147,000 views. An urgent message. You have to watch it. Many people watched it already. Now let's go straight into the content. And this is the chart I want to start with, right? You have the support and the resistance on the weekly candles, and of course you have these horizontal lines, which are the Bitcoin halvings. As we know, after the halvings we are going significantly higher, of course, every single time in these massive bull markets. And as we also know, before the halvings we are finding the bottom for Bitcoin, usually bouncing off the 11 years support. Well, first of all, Bitcoin is right now fighting with the 11 year support, and honestly I want to see it bouncing back very, very soon. We had a similar situation in 2020 already. Now, keep this in mind. Let's talk about something else. What I want to talk about, dear ladies and gentlemen, is, let me actually eliminate a few of these beautiful indicators here. Let me also eliminate this one, is the pi cycle bottom and top indicator. First of all, quickly, let me show you the pi cycle top indicator, right? Every single time these moving averages are actually, oh, I have to go quickly to the daily. It's a daily indicator, of course, to go to the daily indicator, to the daily candles. And what you can see every single time, we are seeing these moving averages crossing. We are seeing the bull market high. Every single time they were predicting the bull market high. Also in 2017, actually every single time they are crossing, we see the bull market high. But now you might ask yourself, well, the bull market high, the next one is so far in the future. Show me where's the bottom. Well, let me do that. Let me show you exactly where the bottom is, at least in accordance to that indicator. Let me pull it out, the pi cycle bottom indicator. And you already see here in 2018, we got the cross somewhere around about here, and that was in fact the exact Bitcoin bottom, honestly, up to the exact day. Let me zoom in and you can fact check it yourself. Just search for pi cycle bottom indicator and I will explain you also exactly the mathematics behind it. Just bear with me just a few seconds. You can see the same thing happening here, where we were crossing beautifully right there in the moment Bitcoin hit the Bitcoin bottom. Insane, right? I mean, absolutely freaking insane. And now, of course, the question is, what is happening right now? Well, let me go straight into it. And honestly, guys, you can see it already actually unfolding on the charts. Let me go back. This is this historical moment everyone was waiting for. I was telling you time and time again, at least since the last few days, hey, there is no buy volume, there is no sell volume. Everyone expects prices of 10, 12,000 US dollars, something I talked about in this Twitter video over here, which hopefully you watched it, almost 150,000 views already, crazy. This is usually how the Bitcoin price, the charts, the trading behavior looks like at or close to the bottom. At or close to the bottom. And now going into this chart, I mean, this cross is imminent. Maybe not tomorrow, but within the next few days, we are going to see this cross. So this could mean, this sounds maybe a little bit funny, could mean more sideways action and then we would cross. Could mean another dump towards the downside and then we would cross. However, one thing is for certain, in accordance, at least to this indicator, it can be wrong, at least it wasn't wrong so far, the bottom is either in or is in within this week. And this, dear ladies and gentlemen, this week Bitcoin bottom, this is a statement. This is a statement you probably don't get anywhere else. And yes, maybe it's not. But we have to look, when we are trading, at historical confidence levels, right? And when we are having an indicator which was right 100% of the time, this means in the future we have a high likelihood of being right again in accordance to that indicator. High likelihood does not mean 100%. Never ever it means it. For example, if you are having a symmetrical triangle in an upwards direction, okay, maybe 60-70% out of 100 it breaks towards the upside because it's a continuation pattern. 3 or 4 out of 10 times, however, it would break towards the downside. This is something you have to keep in mind. Probability is our friend here. And of course, if you want to be trading this as well, well, you know, I am having my trade open here. $136,000 in a profit actually on this trade specifically here, 100%. Well, if you want to trade as well, go down below. I have, as always, a $10,000 bonus for you in the pinned comment. If you scroll down below, let me exactly explain you how you can claim this $10,000 bonus. You scroll below the very first comment, you click the link, you make your own account, and after your initial deposit, you can claim up to this bonus amount for free as well. And you can trade with this free bonus as well. However, make sure that you are an experienced trader and that you know what you are doing, that you are trading at your own risk, because using these links, trading on these exchanges is of course only for experienced traders. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly love and appreciate every single one of you, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Crypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.